Okay, now that you have written your keyword outline or your story summary, make sure it has the characters in the setting, which is Paul. He's persecuting people. Damascus, you'd want to have in there, Ananias. But remember, you're just limiting the details. Only include what's needed for the person to understand the main points of the story. Your opinion isn't in this part. This is just summarizing. Remember, it's brief and it's sum. Now we're moving on to a new portion. So we have our story sequence summary, which is our second paragraph. You've done that using your story sequence chart. Now we're going to analyze the topic. This is our third paragraph, using the TRIAC formula. So what does T stand for? T stands for the topic. State the topic you chose in step 2. Choose their main character, the message, or the setting and mood. So step 2 is you have to choose an analysis topic from these 3 topics. It can be about the main character, this is one of the topics. You could write about the main character. What are the qualities of the main character that are important to note? What is their motive? Is it good? Is it bad? What effect did they have on other people, themselves? Did they change? Did others change? Did they learn something? You could write it on the message. There's going to be 3 of these. This is number 2. The message. What's the main lesson? What were the changes? Is there any personal significance? Similar personal experiences? Or number 3 is the setting and the mood. The setting and the mood, was there vivid descriptions? Significant development of the plot? Are there symbols being used? For example, in this story, for the main character, it could be Saul, Jesus, Ananias. The message or the theme could be conversion, or listening to God, or trust. The setting and the mood, zeal, dramatic change. There was a dramatic change in the story. All or nothing also has to do with persecution of the early church. Those are some examples. So you need to choose what you're going to analyze. The main character, the message, or the setting and the mood. Which one are you going to do?